So we have this garage door opener right here. It's model 139.53627 SRT. And what it is doing is basically nothing. You hit the button, nothing happens. It just makes that noise, as you can hear. It's trying, but it's not doing anything. It's not lifting the garage door. And I've had this trouble with one of mine before. I have 4 garage doors, so I typically have a lot of trouble with them. So here's the problem. That spider gear, or not spider gear, but spline gear, I guess, is just completely worn out. So this is fairly easy to change. There's a C-clip up there and a clip down here to remove all of that. You'll have to take the chain off also right up here. You have to take the chain off the gear and lift all of this up out of there. And then you'll have to adjust how far up and down with these increase up and down travel. It's a fairly decent procedure, fairly difficult procedure, but it is a cheap fix. So if you want to fix your own garage door, this is it's fairly cheap to do. The gear, I think, is under $20. The other gear, you could see that gear right there looks fine, so I'm not going to order that, but I am going to order this, and it's just a roll pin that holds it in, roll pin and a couple clips. So I'm going to order parts, and you'll see how to replace it. So I got the back to this. I got the part in. I am going to start by taking this C-clip off right there.
Dad, you still have a purse in the back.
I know. Hold on one second, baby girl. And then I'm going to take this off, and there is a this pin will have to come out, and everything should come right down. Put the new one on, put it back together, and that should be it. I bought the part. It's $5. Can't beat that. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking this clip off. You just pry the 2 sides out, and it slides out. This will let this come down. Set that aside. Now up in here, I was talking about the C-clip. All I have is just a pick, a point and pick. I'm going to pop that off of there. C-clip. Okay. And it's going to let that be able to push up and out of there. I'm going to tap this out right now, so it's out. Roll pin is out. Well, apparently you got to take both of these roll pins out. Yeah, you would think so. Jeez.
You said a lot of people. I know workers are going to shop.
Yeah, oh yeah. See, the thing is, with this has to be adjusted so it meets the down lock, and since this is all the way down, I should be able to adjust it. Yeah. this way, so all the way over. This way should be the down lock. I hope this is correct. We'll see. And it touches this, sends a signal to stop the motor. I'm just rocking the camera. And put this back in here and we'll see if it actually stops it where it's supposed to. You want it up higher than that? Like the whole way? Or? I guess you don't need it. You're gonna put a camper in here or something. Like full size like shit. Let's see if it goes down right. Go down and hit top, which is not a big deal, but so goes down too far. So I need to decrease. Alright, do you want to hit it again?
Yep.
I just turned the down travel back one. So when it goes all the way down, it doesn't hit and then back up. Alright. I'm going to send it down again. Okay. Alright. Fantastic. $5 fix. How do you beat that? If this video helps you, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.